Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me RG, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can decoupage a coaster and a small wall art piece. So let's get started. All the supplies that I'm using in this video will be mentioned in the description box below with the links, so you can go buy them online from itsybitsy.in. Starting with the coaster, I'm using white chalk paint as a base. You can even go with white acrylic paint or white gesso. Here I am using decoupage napkin from Itsy Bitsy. It only costs 40 rupees per napkin, which mostly comes with 4 prints like so. If you don't want to purchase these napkins for decoupage, you can even go with normal color printouts on regular papers. It does work, but these gives much better results. Cut the napkins according to the size of your coaster. Also for coaster, you can use any wooden piece available at your place, but I purchased these from Itsy Bitsy and it only cost 30 rupees. Now remove the layer from the napkin like so. Take Deco Magic Decoupage glue and apply it on the surface. You can also use Mod Podge or Camel Gel medium, or you can even make this at home by only using Fevicol and water at ratio 2:1. After applying one layer of glue, stick the napkin very carefully like shown in the video. Let it dry for 15 minutes and then again apply one more layer of decoupage glue to seal it. At the end, apply decor varnish, which will make the coaster waterproof and you can wash it later on. And it will also seal the napkin so that it won't come out. Here I am using gloss decor varnish. You can even purchase the matte one to give it a matte look. For the second DIY, I am using these wood slices from Itsy Bitsy. I got 5 of these for rupees 80. I am using the same technique for decoupage this as well, but instead of using decoupage napkins, I am using decoupage rice papers, which only cost 75 rupees for 4 sheets. So basically, decoupage is a very simple technique from which you can transform any plain object into something aesthetic. You can use decoupage on mostly every surface like glass, wood, ceramic, mostly everything. I even decoupaged my phone case, and in case if you wanna see that, you can check that out on my Instagram. The link is in the description box. Make sure you make the surface smooth using sandpaper. I'm applying chalk paints on 2 of them and 3 of them will remain the same. Then I thought instead of pasting the paper on the whole slice, let's make it look more retro type, I guess. So I cut the edges using my hand before the glue dry, and I'm leaving one with the whole paper, which doesn't look that good though. Then again apply another coat of glue and then use decor varnish. And there you go. Personally, I love decoupage technique as it makes any simple thing look so good. Anyways, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, and if you want more such videos on decoupage in future, please comment them down below.